Good morning, student. I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today I am going to tell you fifth chapter of class 7th, all the exercises related to this chapter. I will tell you how to solve. Okay, and chapter name is adverbs. Okay, yesterday we learned the definition of adverbs and kinds of adverbs. So today we will know uses of adverbs. Okay. Now, exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with the kind of adverbs mentioned in the brackets. Okay. She arrived. Now we have to fill adverb of time. So adverb of time. What I am filling in the blanks. Other words may also be used. Okay. It is not necessary that you can write only these words. Okay, other words may also be used. Okay, so she arrived early. Okay, so early, because early is adverb of time. This mango is very ripe, adverb of degree. Actually we had to fill adverb of degree, so very is adverb of degree, so that is correct word. We walked slowly in the direction of school, adverbs of manner. So we had to fill adverb of manner, so slowly is adverb of manner. The grains were scattered everywhere, adverb of place. So everywhere is showing adverb of place. Okay, and it is modifying to the verb, and that is scattered. Main verb, that is scattered. Okay. She will return soon from Delhi, adverb of time. Soon is adverb of time, and it is modifying to the return. Okay. I cannot read the notes. He writes illegibly. Okay. Adverb of manner. So illegibly is adverb of manner. So this is correct word here. The child wept bitterly. Adverb of manner. Now adverb of manner actually generally it is not necessary, but generally ends with ly. Okay. Now he was hungry. Adverb of reason we have to fill here. So he was hungry, so okay. Adverb of reason. He went straight to the canteen. Breakfast is almost ready. Adverb of degree we have to fill. So almost is adverb of degree. He sometimes visits us in May. Okay. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency we have to write sometimes. It means not often, but rarely. Rarely. He visits us in May. So sometimes is a correct word. He will get a job there. Adverb of place we have to write adverb of place. So there is showing adverb of place. She rarely travels by bus. Adverb of frequency. So rarely showing how often. Okay, she travels by bus. So she rarely travels by bus. So this is showing adverb of frequency. Now interrogative adverb of time. So when do you usually come home? When is showing interrogative adverb of time. Okay, by using when we are asking question. We are asking about time. She is too ill to go to work. Adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. She is too weak. She is too ill. It means she is very ill. The father looked affectionately at the baby. Adverb of manner. Actually, we had to fill adverb of manner. The father looked affectionately. Okay. Now, next exercise. B exercise. State whether the highlighted words are adverb or adjective. So now we have to identify used words are adverb or adjective. It is very simple. Okay. If it is adding meaning to the noun or pronoun, that will be adverb or adjective. Sorry, that will be adjective. And if it will be adding to the meaning of verb, adjective, or another adverb, that will be adverb. Okay, let's see. The teacher dictated the notes in a loud voice. Voice is a noun, so before noun loud is used, it means this loud is adjective. Okay. There is enough milk. So before milk, milk is noun. Before milk, enough is used. It means it is adjective, not adverb. Okay. He visits his mother daily. So this word daily modifying the verb, and that is visits. It means this is adjective. Okay. I have worked enough for a day. So this word enough is modifying worked, that is verb, so it will be a adverb. The early riser enjoys a longer day. Riser is a noun, and before noun early is used, so it means it is adjective. Work hard, so this hard word is modifying work, and that is verb, so it will be adverb. The politician spoke loudly. This loudly word modifying the verb, and that is spoke, so it will be adverb. Exercise should be a part of your daily routine. Actually, this word daily adding something to the meaning of routine, so it will be your adjective. Okay. Late arrivals were sent back home. Late arrivals before arrivals we used late, so it will be adjective, because this word is adding something to the meaning of arrivals. He arrived early, so now this early is modifying the meaning of arrived verb, so it will be adverb. The children sang merrily. This word merrily is adding something, modifying the meaning of sang. Okay. How did children sing? The children sang merrily, so it will be adverb. Now next, he reached the station late. Late is this showing time. Okay, so it will be adverb of time, and this word late modifies the meaning of verb, and that is reached. This truly is a hard nut. Before nut it is used hard, it will be a adjective. Okay. This will be a long wait. Before wait we used long, so that will be a adjective, because this word long is adding something to the meaning of wait. She hit him hard. Actually this word hard is adding something to the meaning of hit. Okay, so that will be a adverb. Now next exercise we will do. In this exercise, insert the adverbs given in the brackets in their correct form, in their correct position. Okay. I am often late for school. Actually we had to use often in its correct place. So I am often late. Before late it will be used. Okay. Sanjay readily agreed to the plan. Okay. Now readily we will use before agreed. He has almost finished the work. Almost, the word almost will come before finished. Okay. He did fairly well. This fairly will come before well and modify the word well in the examination. I asked for a glass of milk. I only asked for a glass of milk. Okay. We shall certainly meet you soon. We shall certainly meet you soon. Okay. I rather like the book that I bought yesterday. I rather like the book that I bought yesterday. He was brave enough. He was brave enough to challenge the authorities. He was brave enough to challenge the authorities. So in this way we just saw in what position adverbs can be used. Okay. Now in next exercise fill in the blanks with very, to, or much. Okay, we have to fill very, to, or much. Amin is too young to go for a swim alone. Okay, so how will you decide that to will be used? Whenever you see after blank to is given. Okay, so you have to decide that before blank TWO2 will be used. Okay, देखो, let's see in this sentence. Amin is too young to go for a walk. To is used here, and before to young is there, and before young there is a blank. So in blank to will be filled. Okay, I am very glad to see you. I am very glad to see you. Okay, and to and for. Okay, to and for should be used to write TWO2. Okay, in first sentence, as we can see. In third sentence, Ishan plays tennis very well. Actually, well is also adverb. So this is very is also adverb. So this adverb is adding something to the meaning of another adverb. Okay, very well. I am too sleepy to go for a jog tonight. As I told you earlier, to and for is given in the sentence, then we have to use TWO2. Okay, her handwriting is much worse than mine. Sorry, her handwriting is much worse than mine. Actually, before worse we will use much. Okay, the film was much better than I expected. So before better we will use much. Okay, you have to be very careful when you go to the rainy. So when you go to the beach in the rainy season, so before careful very should be used. Okay, you have to be very careful. Okay, now in next exercise, rewrite the following sentences replacing the highlighted words with adverbs from the box. Some adverbs are given in the box and we have to use suitable. We have to pick suitable words and replace the highlighted words. Okay. So now I agreed to accept his offer without any delay. So without any delay is a group of words and we have to replace this group of words with adverbs. So find out suitable adverbs for this group of words, and that is immediately. Okay, I agreed to accept his offer immediately. Immediately is a correct word to replace this group of words. Second, at the end. At the end means after all, at last. So finally is a suitable adverb. Okay, finally after some discussion we signed the agreement. So finally will be used at the place of at the end. Okay, now in third, I want to start something on my own. On my own means without any help. Okay, independently. So independently is a correct word which can be replaced. Okay, on which can replace on my own. Okay, so on my own will be replaced by independently. He spoke to me in a polite manner. In a polite manner, simply politely. Okay, in a polite manner means politely. So he spoke to me politely. Okay, now next. Govinda operated the heavy machine by hand. By hand means manually. Okay, not with the help of anything, manually. Okay, and next, the interior designer has decorated my flat in a beautiful manner. Beautiful manner means we will replace in a beautiful manner with beautifully. Okay, so in a beautiful manner we can write beautifully. So in a beautiful manner can be replaced by beautifully. Okay, the water of the river has risen beyond the usual limit. Usual limit means abnormal, beyond a proper limit. So abnormally is a correct word. Scientists believe that bacteria often behave in an uncharacteristic manner. Okay, so that group of words will be replaced by unusually. Okay, so scientists believe that bacteria often behave in an uncharacteristic manner. Okay, so unusually. So in this way we have solved all the exercises from chapter number 5, and that is adverb. So my dear students, if you have any specific query related to this chapter, you can write comment on my video. I will see your video and I will answer your comments. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay fit and keep safe.